close till I get up.
Welcome back to the Sweet Farm. Today I'm going to make some plantain fritters. And yes guys, you see these plantains are very overripe and dark. Yeah, when you got your plantain and you say you're going to throw them away, no guys, we still have use for them, because this is the perfect way that we want them to make our fritters. So we'll be making some plantain fritters today guys, so let's get into it. So here we've got two plantains. I just chop them up a bit, cut them up a bit, and I'm going to add some brown sugar. So I'm using the soft brown sugar, so I'm going to use two tablespoons brown sugar. I am going to use a little ground nutmeg, say half a teaspoon ground nutmeg, or half a teaspoon cinnamon. Also, I'm going to use about a teaspoon of vanilla, and I am going to use a fork to combine all of those ingredients together. That's already smelling so nice guys. All that brown nutmeg with the vanilla, smelling so nice. Brush it out as much as possible. Okay guys, we're gonna add a pinch of salt to that, and I am going to add some plain flour to that as well. So I am going to use about a cup of plain flour guys. So as we want our mixture to be a bit runny, I'm going to use about quarter cups of milk. So we want it a little bit more runny, so I'm just going to add a little bit more milk to that, just a little bit more, and then combine that together. This is very similar guys to doing banana fritters. It's almost, well, basically the same method, the same ingredients. Yeah. got our frying pan on the stove here with some oil. Check if it's ready. I just stick in a little. It's almost there. Just, yeah, it is ready now, guys, because we don't want the stove or the flame to be too much, because this will burn easily. So you're gonna put it down to maybe a medium so it doesn't burn easily. So I'm going to add my fritters in now to get fried. So here we have it, guys. Here are our plantain fritters. Very delicious. Can be served with whatever you choose to serve it with, but it's a very nice little treat. You can have it with ice cream, whatever you choose to have it with. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye bye.